The throughput is steady at 200 units per minute. We're maintaining the optimal water pressure.
These look good, very clean. Keep an eye out for the green ones.
Using advanced optical sorting, we ensure only the highest quality potatoes reach the market.
Here we see the transition to primary processing, where advanced optics and precision blades prepare the crop for the next stage.
Looks clear, starch levels are minimal.
Yeah. Okay, let's log the chlorine residual before we move to the fryer.
The readings look good, consistent with the specs. All right, I'll log that.
After drying, the chips move into this rotating drum where our signature seasoning blend is applied, ensuring every chip is perfectly coated.
Ensure the coating is consistent on the red drum. We had issues yesterday. Right. Monitoring it closely. The new settings seem stable.
The color looks good on this batch.
Yes, and the seasoning drum is rotating smoothly.
The documentation specifies a rate of 1.5 grams per serving.
I've adjusted the vibrator frequency.
The temperature on level 3 is stabilizing right on target. We are clear to increase the throughput.
The transition to the second cooling stage is critical, utilizing a tiered system to progressively lower the temperature and stabilize the components.
Calibration complete on Sector 3.
Looks good. The sorting mechanism is responding correctly.
We are seeing a slight variance in the optical sensor readings here.
It's within tolerance, but let's monitor the next batch closely. Throughput on line 4 is slightly low.
Adjusting feeder speed now.
Monitor alignment sensors.
The packaging phase begins with the loading of these massive foil laminate rolls, crucial for the final product.
The pressure looks good here, well within tolerance.
All right, check's complete. Let's move to line 3.
Automated timing ensures the formation of a perfect seal every time, creating an airtight closure for maximum freshness. The transition to multi-packing represents the final stage before the products are grouped for distribution.
The forming station precisely wraps the corrugated cardboard around the silver foil bags, applying a thin bead of hot adhesive for a secure seal.
Keep an eye on the sensor alignment right there.
Looks good. The heat seal is holding steady.
Check the count on that last shipment.
Looks good. We are clear for shipping.
The automated case sealer applies a precise strip of clear tape, ensuring a secure closure. Rollers apply firm.
Print quality looks good on this batch. Confirmed. The data matches the manifest.
The
The integration of these robotic cells has revolutionized our throughput, ensuring precision stacking every single time.
Look at the precision on that placement. The optimization algorithm is working flawlessly.
The alignment on layer 5 is perfect. Confirmed. The ventilation gaps are uniform.
Stability check passed.
Confirmed. Ready for release.
Aisle B3, location 09 confirmed.
The manifest matches the schematic here.
Inventory synchronized.
Make sure that shipment is secure before it goes up.
Yes, supervisor. We are almost done here. Is this the manifest for the Tokyo shipment?
Yes, cross-referenced and ready to go.
Verify the count on the next one.
Scanner shows green, ready to load.
Is the manifest ready for the first truck?
Yes, scanned and approved. Let's move this pallet.
Watch the left side, easy now. Bring it back a foot.
Okay, is this spot good?
Yes, perfect. Set it down.
Straps are tight right here. Looks good. Manifest is signed off.
Is that tight enough?
Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Good to go.